Have you wondered why two people with similar talent, similar opportunities, and similar resources achieve completely different results sometimes? One might build a thriving business, but the other might stay stuck for years. One might speak with confidence, the other constantly might doubt themselves. One creates extraordinary outcomes while the other keeps repeating the same patterns. This difference is rarely about intelligence or strategy, and almost never about luck. The real difference lies in one invisible force: their own self image. Because you will never consistently outperform the identity you hold about yourself. Hi, I'm Prerona Roy, founder of Inspire Excellence. I work with entrepreneurs, leaders, and high performers to help them transform the beliefs and inner narratives that shape their decisions, relationships, leadership, and business results. Over the years, I've discovered one truth that changes everything. Your life does not expand to match your goals, it expands to match your self image. And in today's video, we are going to explore exactly how the way you see yourself determines the results you create in every area of life. At Inspire Excellence, one of the foundational principles behind the leadership compass is external performance is a reflection of internal identity. Before strategy, before execution, before communication, there is identity. Because the way you see yourself influences the opportunities you pursue, the risks you take, the standards you set, the boundaries you enforce, the way others perceive you and respond to you. If you want to change your results, you must first recalibrate your internal compass. What is self image? Self image is the mental picture you hold about who you are. It includes beliefs such as I am capable, I am not good enough, I'm a strong leader, I always struggle, I deserve success, people don't value me. These beliefs may not always be conscious, but they silently guide your behavior. They influence what feels possible, what feels safe, and what feels like you. Notice how your mind is already beginning to reveal the stories you have been carrying about yourself. The unconscious mind has one primary goal: to maintain consistency. This means if you believe you are someone who struggles, your mind will unconsciously create behaviors that preserve that identity. If you believe you are a powerful leader, your mind will help you act in alignment with that belief. Your mind constantly asks, what actions are consistent with who I believe I am? And then it shapes your behavior accordingly. As you begin to see this, you might realize that many of your results were not accidents at all. They were reflections of the identity you accepted as true. Think of your self image as a thermostat. A thermostat sets the temperature of a room. Your self image sets the level of success, confidence, and abundance you allow yourself to experience. If your internal setting is low, you may sabotage opportunities, undercharge for your value, avoid visibility, settle for less, tolerate poor treatment. If your internal setting is high, you may act with certainty, make stronger decisions, attract better opportunities, hold high standards, and create great results. Many people spend years searching for the perfect strategy. Strategy without identity is like planting seeds in infertile soil. You may know exactly what to do. The roadmap may already be clear. Yet, if your internal identity says, I'm not ready, I'm not credible enough, people won't take me seriously, or success belongs to someone else, then execution becomes inconsistent. You hesitate, overthink, delay decisions, and sometimes you unconsciously sabotage the very opportunities you prayed for. The real limitation is rarely about knowledge. The deeper challenge is the identity operating beneath the action. Until self perception evolves, even the strongest strategy struggles to produce sustainable results. And as this truth settles deeper, you may begin to understand that the next level of your life has always been waiting for you to become the person who believes it is possible. An entrepreneur may have brilliant ideas, but still undercharge because they do not see themselves as valuable. A leader may avoid difficult conversations because they do not fully see themselves as authoritative. A professional may reject opportunities because success feels unfamiliar. In every case, behavior follows identity. Results follow behavior, and therefore, results ultimately follow identity. What you expect from yourself shapes how you behave. How you behave shapes what you experience. What you experience reinforces your beliefs. This becomes a self fulfilling prophecy. The good news, the cycle can work in your favor once you consciously choose a more empowering identity. So, how do you change your self image? Become aware. Observe the hidden beliefs guiding your decisions. Challenge old labels. Question whether those beliefs are facts or inherited stories. Define a new identity. Choose the version of yourself you are becoming. Act in alignment. Take actions that confirm your new identity. Reinforce consistently. Repeated evidence creates lasting transformation. Imagine how differently you would act if you truly saw yourself as capable, worthy, and destined to create extraordinary results. You do not get what you want, you get what your self image allows. When your identity changes, your decisions change. Your energy changes, your relationships change, your business, your results, and eventually your entire life transforms. One of the most important principles in the leadership compass is transformation begins when identity and behavior become aligned with your highest potential. Your outer world is a mirror of your inner beliefs. Change the image, change the actions, and change the outcomes. And hence, join us for knowing more about the leadership compass. Take a moment and ask yourself, who do I believe I am? And more importantly, is that belief helping me create the life and business I truly desire? Because the moment you upgrade your self image, you begin to unlock a new level of possibility. And once you see yourself differently, the world begins to respond differently as well. If this message resonated with you, subscribe to the channel and explore more insights on leadership, identity, and transformation. Because true success does not begin with better tactics, it begins with a more powerful image of who you are. And when you transform that image, you transform your results.